My most profitable day trading
First thing you
strategy.
want to do is find a charting platform like TradingView. This is 100% free. From here, you can go to your chart and you can pick a currency or crypto pair, depending on what you're trading, even stocks. Once you've done that, your chart should look something like this. Go to indicators. Type in moving average exponential, or MAE for short. Make sure to click this twice and insert 2 EMAs into the chart. What we want to do is double click the first one and change the length to 20 and press OK. Next thing we want to do is double click the second one and change the length to 50. And before you say OK, go to the style and change the actual color, because you don't want them to be the same color. It's blue, so I'm going to change it to orange. I like opposites, they attract and they're easy to see whenever they cross paths, right? I also make it thicker because it's easier to see when they cross paths as well. So now this is what your chart will look like. The trick to this is when the blue goes above the orange, you want to enter. And when they begin to cross paths, you want to exit. After you've used this pattern a couple times, you'll see that 9 times out of 10, it won't fail you. And even when it does, it doesn't. And I'll talk more about that in a minute. But notice where you would want to enter and where you'd want to exit. Also, even as I'm making this video, you may want to enter or exit depending on where you're at in the market, because they're actually coming together. As a perfect example. Again, this is what your chart will look like. This right here is Bitcoin to Tether because it's more relative to what I'm showing you. Say that you would have wanted to enter in right here. You would have wanted to exit. Let's say we exited at the best time. We would have seen a 0.76% increase. And even if we would have worst case scenario, used this algorithm, we would have saw a 0.6% increase. Again, I can show you many times over where this has not failed me. And when I said even when it does fail you, it doesn't fail you, I mean time in the market is better than timing the market. If you would have jumped in right here where the market gave you false hope, it would have gave you a loss. But if you would have held, you can see you clearly would have had a profit.